Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. So today we're gonna be playing some Fall of Heck. Fall of Hell. Yeah. I just put my hair like this just because I love it. And also I do this in every video, but you can't see me. But now you guys can see me, so hello. That is very anticlimactic. Climactic. And yeah, anyways guys, I literally am falling and I literally trying not to die, but and I do it. I see you riding and riding up on the floor. Not sure when I already know. Yeah, and also guys, I also made it to the end very loud. I literally just dialed the last one. I see you winding and grinding. How did she make it to the end? I'm confused. Unless she's like a hacker or something. I see you grinding up on the floor. See me looking at you. Oh yeah, definitely. I was so close. See you winding. Cause like literally guys, before I started this video, I literally like won like 7 times in a row. I know it's hard to believe guys, but I literally did. Well, not in a row, but like, whatever. But basically I won it all in a row. And now I'm going super fast cause I just bought super fast. Oh no. Oh no. Actually, maybe I'll go here and I'll just, cause I won like so many times. So I'll spare you some. There you go. I see you winding and grinding up on the floor. I wanna see me looking at you. I already know I wanna love you. I see you winding and grinding up on the floor. See me. Okay, guys. My hair is just fluffy. See you. I'm right now looking at you guys, the camera, and I'm about to die. I'm not trying to die. Whenever I look like over here, guys, like whenever I look like over here, that means that whenever I look over here, like whenever I look over here, it looks like I don't know, guys. I'm so confused. Whenever here I look like here or something like this, that means that I'm like looking at the game. But when I like to do this, then that means I'm looking at my camera. I'm like fixing my hair. See you wind in anger. Anyway, let's help out people. Why did people do that? What? Huh? I'm confused. I'm not so shop. Please. What does freeze do? I don't get it. I'm so confused. Huh? What is freeze supposed to do? I am so confused. Yeah, no. That is not how. I don't even know what it does, frankly. So, like, just like freeze me if I like die. Yeah, also no. I do not know. I wish I knew. See you see me like an issue. I'm actually gonna join a private server. I don't know. It always shocks me when it's like a spring comes up. So yeah, actually I'm just gonna exit. I'm gonna play something else just because it's like fun. And there you go. Okay, guys. Go back over here. I'm gonna join my friendies. I'm gonna go home. I see you running, Well, they're playing Arsenal. Well, my friend's playing Arsenal. I'm just gonna join them because, you know, I'm gonna join my friend. One friend. Yeah, whatever. He's a friend. Just a friend. I don't know. Do I do that or something? I'm so noob, guys. I literally do not use the arrows. I literally, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know how to turn. Like, do I do like that? I'm confused. I am so confused, guys. I am devastated. Not even gonna lie. I don't even know what to do. I'm just what? Like, do I go here? Like, I'm so confused. Huh? I'm on the red team. Okay, common sense, that works, that helps. So we kill blue team. And there you go, I die. I'm not used to this, guys. I'm actually, I don't really play like this. I don't really play these games. Is my friend still in the game? Yeah, that's why I thought he left the game. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna play Arsenal. Because, like, you know what? I'm just gonna play it. I literally don't care. I'm just gonna wait. I see you winding and grinding up on the floor. I hope you see me looking at you when ready know and deploy. Okay, I'm just gonna join the blue team because I see you winding and grinding on the floor. How did I die? I'm literally so bad at Arsenal. I literally get killed first time. First shoot. I literally think I saw red. Oh, I was trying. Why in the sense of humor would I do that? Why Deborah? Why Debbie? Why Deborah? Why Debbie? Okay, I can click this. I can just click this. I can really use this. Oh no! Why? No! I was just you didn't have to kill me. I wasn't gonna kill you. I totally was not. Try hard mode. Oof. And when you don't know what hard mode is, probably don't let carrier kills to English. I don't know. I don't know. Red. Who cares? Who cares? I might be wrong. My hair is just bunk. See, okay, guys, we're just gonna deal with that. My hair is throwing me off. It's making me really sick, like sick as sick. I was about to. I don't know why. I think it's blue team. Am I on the red team or blue team? I'm so confused. I'm trying to kill them. Oof and oof and oof and oof. I literally do not know how to play, guys, and this is sad. Oof, stick. Yes, I killed them. I killed them. Yeah. Okay, no. Anti-climatic. Oh yeah, and that's what I thought. I literally just got stabbed. If I killed somebody, I'm happy. I actually never killed somebody in my life. This is just so. I think I can switch weapons if I'm not wrong. I literally just got killed. I did not even. He literally didn't kill me the first time. But you know what? We can deal with that. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. When I was about just to respawn. And I thought that this could not get any worse. Okay, die. And that's what I call a pain in the butt. Pain in the butt. Yeah, that's what yeah, see, I'm gonna join the blue team next round. And when you think everything's gonna be smooth, but then realize I wanted to kill everybody. I try to kill everybody. Then I just end up killing myself. If people come, I kill. My hair. I'm just kidding. My hair. I know it's like it's soft. I literally try not to hit my keys hard, but yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Oh, how did I do that? Okay, actually no, I'm not gonna end the video here. Yeah, my hair is very smooth, so that's a plus. I see you winds and grinds. I'm not bad, but I'm not good. I don't even know why I was like selected on a team. Oh yeah, I totally knew that. I knew that was gonna happen. He's so good. Yeah, but I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe if you want to. And I love you guys all so much. Stay awesome, stay sweet, and go check out my other videos right here. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know if I'll add them or if they won't work. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe if you want to, and just click my channel here and my videos here if I do put them in. But yeah, and have a great day, guys. Bye! Mwah!